click the car icon that is on the far bottom left of your Tesla screen. Click Service on the pop-up window, then Wiper Service Mode in order to raise the wiper for your convenience and ready to be serviced. There is a square button on the top of your wiper that you can see here. Simply push that button and pull your wiper away from you, as you can see on the video. Make sure to keep a paper towel handy or even a microfiber cloth to lay down the empty wiper handle to avoid scratching your windshield. Then take your newly bought Tesla wipers out of the box and ready to be installed. If you have a hard time finding Tesla wipers, check out TeslaAftermarketAccessories.ca. They were nice enough to send me these high-performance, aerodynamic Tesla wipers for today's video. I'll make sure to link them down in the description box as well. You will notice that the set of wipers come in two different sizes. The longer one that I'm holding right now is for the driver's side, and the shorter one is for the passenger side. Pull out the protective plastic that comes with your wiper and make sure that the longer wiper is on the driver's side. Make sure that the little square button is facing towards you so that you can slide the wiper in the correct way. Now go to the other side, have your paper towel ready and the shorter side of the wiper ready to be installed. Push down on the little square button and pull the wiper out as so. Hold this side of the wiper and pull straight out. You can noticeably see that this wiper on the passenger side is a little bit shorter than the driver's side. Take out the protective plastic again in order to install it. Have the little square button pointing away from you this time in order to install it the correct way. After you're done installing your wipers, always remember to take it out of service mode so that the wiper goes down to its functioning position. Then click the wiper button all the way to test out your newly installed wipers. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative content like this in the future. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section. You can also find me on other social media platforms as TESLAPEG for direct messaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.